Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we're gonna learn how to get the voice effect on TikTok. For that, first of all, let's open our TikTok application. As you can see, there is a plus option in the bottom. Click on it and you have to give permission for that. After allowing the permission, if you want, you can record a short video. Then tap on the tick button. In the right side menu, you can see the audio editing option. Tap on it. And as you can see, there are many different kind of audio effect like mic, baritone, and many more. And if you want, you can again record your voice by pressing on the record option. Then you will be getting two options at the bottom to put on your story or next. If you want to put that recorded video with the voice change in your story, then just click your story. And if you want to post it, then just click next. Then using some hashtag and caption, you will see an option at the bottom right corner as post. Just click on it and boom, this is how you get the voice effect on TikTok. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, share and subscribe for more.